Okay, this video is going to be a racing rockets video. Okay, so we're going to look at rockets that go up and down, side to side, and all the way around. Okay, are you ready? Okay, so first of all, we're going to make the shape of a rocket with our hands. So we're going to do a big stretch all the way up to the ceiling, and our fingers are going to touch, and we're going to bring them down to create the end of our rockets. Okay, and they're going to go travelling all around the room, okay? So first of all, they're going to travel up and down. Can you do that? Up and down? That's it. So we go all the way up and all the way down, like they're on a big slide. Okay, and then they're going to change. And they're going to travel side to side, going around corners. Can you try that one? Yeah. And then our rockets are going to go all the way around, like they're travelling around a planet. So ready? We're going to take them round and round, one way, and then the other way. They might go up and round. They might go down and round. Okay? But this is the point of your rocket, and you can make it go wherever you like. Okay? And every time our rocket changes direction, we're going to do a big launch, okay? So we're going to bring our rocket hands together. We're going to come all the way down like this. And we're going to go 1, 2, 3, launch, okay? And then we'll change our direction, all right? So we've got up and down, side to side, and all the way around. And all you need to do is follow me.